Look at this big dog on campus. He's quite the Casanova. All of these ladybirds are with him. This one too. That is a lot of birds. Good job, Romeo. Where are you going? Still got a few left here. That's crazy, right? That is a lot of birds. There's 5. I think I saw 7 altogether. And I'm not gonna lie, I think there might be even more than that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Interesting. Okay, fine. I'll go over here. There's 8. There's another one. I'm pretty sure grackles are the kind of birds that have sort of like a bull with cows, a dominant male, and he'll go around and just keep the flock content. Yeah, that's a big one. Good job, Romeo. Look at him. And he's got